Assalamu alaikum. I am Tanzila Khanam and this is Psychology Basics Intermediate Lectures of Psychology. Today our topic of the lecture is health psychology. And the topics that we cover in today's video are: what is health, what is adjustment, importance of health and adjustment, definition of health psychology, goals of health psychology, better lifestyle, why we require good health, and what is the impact of good health. Now, what is health? Health refers to a general vigor and strong state of the mind and body. It means the coordinated functioning of different parts of the body and mind in a correct way. It is not only the absence of illness, rather using one's potentials and abilities to the full extent. An individual whose physical organs are working correctly, mind is also functioning in a proper way, he is called a healthy individual. And a healthy individual can fulfill the requirements and demands of the environment that is surrounding him. According to World Health Organization, WHO, health is defined as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not only the absence of disease and infirmity. Infirmity means any type of physical or mental weakness. So, a state of complete well-being and not only the absence of diseases is called health. A very important aspect in the with reference to the health is the concept of adjustment. Adjustment means to cope with the environment or mold oneself according to the requirements of the surroundings. In fact, adjustment is the actual element behind physical and mental health. In this regard, the concept of adjustment is not new. It was the same concept that provided the basis for Darwin's theory of evolution, the survival of the fittest. According to the Darwin's theory, the species that has the ability to adjust easily according to the changing requirements of the environment survives, and that is unable to adjust, that species become extinct. So the life of an individual in the society depends upon the equilibrium that he maintains between his needs and obstacles in the environment. Adjustment involves a series of adaptive behaviors that start when a need arises, and it is completed after the fulfillment of that need. For example, if you are hungry, that hunger is your need. Now you will make efforts to eat something, like going to kitchen or market or bring some eatables to satisfy your hunger. Now you have adjusted to your need of food. The whole process can be described like this: a need arises and it motivates you to do some action to fulfill that need. In the after that motivation, the need is satisfied, and adjustment is completed. According to American Psychological Association, adjustment is a change in APA says that adjustment is a change in individuals' attitudes, behavior, or both. On the basis of some recognized need or desire to change. Particularly, it appears to account for the current environment or changing and unexpected conditions. The individual has to adapt to those changes. Adjustment to the environment can be achieved in two ways. Number one, it can be done by molding and changing the environment. The individual changes the environment according to his own needs, likes, and requirements. And the second way to achieve the adjustment is that it can be achieved by changing one's own behavior. Not the environment, rather one's own behavior, attitudes, and thinking in order to adjust to the surrounding. Now we shall discuss why health and adjustment are important in an individual's life. So, importance of health and adjustment are obvious from the following facts. Health and adjustment both discuss those theories, strategies, and practical measures through which the individual can adopt better health, ideal environmental adjustment, and can lead a fulfilling life. They improve his quality of life and polish his creative abilities. They also equip him with resources to deal with demands of the society. So that he can become a best citizen in the society. A well-adjusted individual can not only survive himself but his family too in the society. He has a realistic approach, fulfills social demands, and his harmony in his personality. So, a realistic approach and fulfillment of social demand is due to adjustment of the individual in the society. Now that we have studied about the importance of health and adjustment in an individual's life, so we shall define health psychology. Health psychology is the field of psychology that deals with the maintenance of health, prevention, and treatment of illnesses. It studies the effect of psychological principles, theories, and requirements that are essential for the promotion of health. It tries to find out how people can remain healthy, how they become ill, and their reaction to their illnesses. Health psychologists not only present theories about an individual's mental, physical, and social health, but also conduct researches in this regard. In the light of these theory and researches, they provide guidance to determine a better lifestyle for the individual. So, the better lifestyle is very much important in the maintenance of health. The goals of health psychology in this regard are mentioned as number one, maintenance and improvement of health. In this regard, they study about the physical and psychological stressors that can affect health. They suggest that good and balanced diet, regular exercise, and a positive way of thinking is helpful in maintaining and improvement of mental health. So, exercise, positive thinking and a good diet. Good or balanced diet is necessary for the maintenance and improvement of health of the individual. The second goal of health psychology is control of diseases. And for this purpose, they suggest different measures to clean the environment. The third goal is spreading or dissemination of the information about health. They provide an awareness uh, regarding the causes of diseases through different resources like print and social media, awareness programs, etc. The fourth goal of health psychology is the prevention of disease. It is also included in the goal of health psychologist. For example, to avoid smoking, to take safety measures to avoid domestic as well as road accidents, regular checkups, and follow up in case of an illness, etc. All these are preventive measures that are taken by the health psychologist. All these measures are taken and all these goals are tried to fulfill because according to health psychologist or health psychology, a better lifestyle is very much important in maintaining and improvement of good health. Health psychology provide guidance for the survival and better life of an individual so that individual can adopt a better lifestyle while living in a society. A healthy lifestyle leads to a better health and best performance in life. Whereas lack of awareness leads to negative effects on physical as well as mental health. In the past few decades, the scenario for illness and death have been changed remarkably. In the present world, the diseases like TB, malaria, pneumonia are less life threatening because of their advanced treatment and public awareness. Whereas risk has increased for the cancer, stroke, diabetes, etc., that become worsened due to stress and unhealthy lifestyle. So, stress and unhealthy lifestyle leads to diseases and mental illnesses, as well as mental as well as physical diseases. So, health psychology advise people on how they can improve their health to live a long life. These measures are very much important for their longevity. Now, after all this discussion, we reach to the conclusion that a good health is required for a better society and better environment. So, why good health is required? In Pakistan, a good health and a better lifestyle are two such factors that are ignored mostly. People are living without basic necessities, clean water, proper treatment facilities, etc. Literacy rate is very low. The need is to improve the health condition. All citizens and government and private institutions are required to take part in welfare programs to make these health conditions better. Such programs should arrange vaccinations, clean drinking water, hygienic food, clean environment, disposal of waste, and prevention and treatment of diseases. So, all these things are included in welfare programs to provide better health facilities to the citizens. In the annual conference of Pakistan Psychological Association 1994, Dr. Zafar Ansari presented his paper Environmental Problems in Pakistan. He suggested that our social problems like increasing population, urban civilization, deforestation, etc., need our attention for their resolution and for the provision of better health facilities in the public. So, now we see what is the impact of good health on the individuals as well as on the society as a whole. Good health of an individual and the society as a whole has a great impact on society. Healthy body and healthy minds both are essential for the advancement of a nation. Healthy bodies and healthy minds both are essential for the advancement of a nation. This will eradicate the unemployment and crimes from the society. It is the responsibility of each and every member of the society to adopt a better lifestyle, and the practical measures should be taken by government, semi-government and private institution to make good changes and improvements in the lifestyle of all the members of the society. In this way, we can achieve a healthy community and an advanced and developed society. So, this was our today's lecture about health psychology and what is the importance of um, health and adjustment as well as good health and good and a healthy lifestyle. Hope you found it helpful. If so, please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.